Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm doing bunch of service on this 2004 Toyota Prius with 196,000 miles, and in this video, short video, I would like to show you the water pump, or as I rather would like to call it, coolant pump. So do you see that unit right here? This little thing. So this is the water pump itself after I have removed the pulley, this beautiful pulley which is on it. I love it how the Toyota went and removed all possible weight from it. This is absolutely awesome. Really good thinking. It was driven, the water pump is driven with this one tiny belt from the main crank pulley. Also nicely lightweight, I will say. Here is the timing mark. Hopefully you can see that little white notch. So this water pump was recommended to this owner by the dealer to replace. Now let's go and look at that replacement part together. So here is a replacement part. As you know, I preach, if possible, use the Toyota parts. So this is assembly. That means it's a part, it's the pump. You can see the Toyota logo and you can see Aisin logo. I will take it out. But important what it is, you wanna get as an assembly that steel gasket. So as I said, Toyota right here on the bottom. There is a print when it was made. Aisin right here. I hope you can read it. I am just fighting with the light. There is even date of manufacture and so on. So that's incredible. Super high quality, high-end part. You can see the bottom. Yeah, I dig it, and obviously we don't know how long this Prius will last, but this is a very important part, and I will always go with Toyota if I can. So this one is retails the whole assembly. I believe it's a little bit less than $100. It's $80 or $90 for this part, the assembly part. And the gasket, some companies will not give you even the gasket, it's not listed, or they sell it separately. So I just wanted to show you that it's important, in this case, have a gasket. If you look on that assembly in the vehicle, it's actually right there between the main pulley and right there on the right now in middle of the screen. You can probably see it sticking out. So we are confirming that metal gasket supposed to be there from factory. I was not in the position today to do the how to replace this water or a coolant pump. So I just wanted to show you a bunch of details, little walk around, and that's all I can do on this vehicle today. So thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.